Heat pump thermostat wiring can seriously mess up your heat and air conditioning, leading to crazy high bills or no heat at all. Okay, so first off, always double check you're following the right wiring guide for your heat pump thermostat. There are tons of different setups depending on the model. Make sure the jumpers are properly set, especially that one between AUX and E, because if that's off, your auxiliary heat might not kick in when it's supposed to. Don't just guess where wires go. Labeling them before unplugging anything saves a ton of headaches later. If your system isn't switching between heat and cool correctly, it's probably a wiring issue or a bad thermostat. Also, keep an eye out for loose connections or frayed wires, which can cause intermittent problems that are tricky to spot. Watching troubleshooting videos from trusted HVAC pros can give you step-by-step help without needing to call a technician immediately. Remember, using a voltage tester can help you avoid shocks and figure out if power is reaching your thermostat properly. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, it's way better to pause and ask for help than risk frying your system or blowing your budget on energy bills. One of the biggest mistakes with heat pump thermostat wiring is ignoring the jumper settings, like between AUX and E, which often causes the backup heat not to come on when needed. Fix it by making sure those jumpers are in place exactly as the guide says. Another common issue is miswiring the common wire or confusing R and AUX wires, which can stop your system from running altogether. Double check wire colors and labels before hooking anything up. The third problem is skipping the step of testing for voltage and continuity before installing the thermostat. This leads to wasted time and money trying to fix nothing. It's smarter to test first, so you know if the problem is in the thermostat or somewhere else in your HVAC system. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searches or bad reviews. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done right without the usual hassle.